If your mind is racing and your body feels tense, and you're also tired of trying to think your way out of stress, you're in the right place. I'm Christophe from Folkestone Hypnotherapy, and over the next few minutes, we're not going to try to argue with your thoughts. Instead, we're going to speak directly to your nervous system and flip that switch from fight or flight to deep restorative calm. So please give this a miss if you suffer from any psychotic issues or psychiatric disorders. And please don't listen to this if you're doing anything requiring your full attention. Common sense applies here. So for everybody else, just make sure you're sitting or laying down comfortably. Adjust the volume if you need to. And let's begin. First, just go ahead and allow your eyes to gently close. That's it. And take a deep breath in through the nose and let your chest expand, and then lay it all out through your mouth gently. That's good. And just take a few nice deep breaths like that. And there's nothing else you need to do right now. There's no problems to solve, no tasks to finish. For the next few minutes, the world can wait. That's it. I want you to bring your attention to the tiny muscles around your eyes. Just imagine all the micro tension from a long day just melting away. Letting your eyelids becoming pleasantly heavy. That's it. Just, it feels like too much effort to even want to open them right now. Let that feeling of heavy relaxation, hypnosis just drift down through your face, through your jaw. Just let it unclench as well. There you go. And again, allow that feeling of hypnosis and comfort down into your shoulders. Just let them drop away. That's it. Imagine it's like a warm, heavy blanket being draped over your shoulders. Instantly just softening everything, letting go of any useless tension. And with every breath out, your body can sink just a little bit deeper and deeper into the chair or the bed beneath you. Safe, supported, just completely at ease. That's it. And as your body rests, your subconscious mind is wide awake and listening and ready to let go of what no longer serves you. Your brain has been trying to protect you by running on high alert. But right now, in this moment, you can give it permission to just step down. I'd like you just to imagine like a dial in your mind. A dial that controls the volume of your thoughts. Just imagine or pretend you can notice that dial clearly in your imagination, and it might be set to an 8, a 9, maybe even a 10. And in a moment, I'm going to count down from 3 to 1. And with each number, you're going to reach out in your mind and just turn that dial down. Here we go. 3. Just turning it down. Maybe to a 5. Thoughts begin to drift away, a bit like distant background noise. 2, just turning it down a little bit further, maybe to a 2, just soft, quiet, like a beautiful stillness spreading through your mind. And one, just taking it all the way down to 0. Complete peace. Just the sound of my voice and the steady, comforting rhythm of your own breath. And you can enjoy this peacefulness, this quietness, this stillness, making the most of it right now. And you can carry this stillness with you into the rest of your day. All drops straight into deep sleep if you are listening to this at night. Your subconscious mind knows exactly how to keep you grounded. And if you choose to drift into a deep restorative sleep right now, you can just simply ignore the rest of the suggestions and just enjoy this wonderful feeling drifting away. That's right. And if you want to come back to your normal level of awareness, in a moment, I'll count from 1 up to 3 just to bring you back again to full awareness. Starting with 1, feeling the physical surface beneath you, waking up your fingers and toes. 2, taking a deep, refreshing breath of clean air into your lungs. That's it, and ready for 3, eyes open, feeling clear-headed, calm, and completely reset. Welcome back. And as it just take a few moments to really bring yourself back to right here, right now. And if you feel maybe like a shift in your energy, please give this video a like, subscribe as well for more guided hypnosis and resets, and let me know in the comments how deep you managed to turn the dial down. I'd love to know. And for those who are drifting to sleep right now, have a good night.